come around, the house feels new. The old clock ticks like it's brand new too. My tired feet forget to slow down. You light up my world just by coming around. When you come around, my smile can't hide. It's like sunshine walks right inside. You're my laughter, my joy, my favorite sound. Life feels young again when you come around. You drop your bag and kick off your shoes, climb in my lap like you used to do. You tell me stories with so much flair, and leave cookie crumbs on the rocking chair. We don't need plans or fancy things. You bring the joy that money can't bring. A giggle, a hug, that's all I need to feel like I'm finally free. When you come around, oh.
You ask why my hands are wrinkled and thin. I say they've held a lifetime within, but holding you beats all the rest. Your tiny hug feels heaven blessed. You don't see age, you just see me, and I feel as young as I used to be. You make this whole world spin around. My heart comes alive when you come around.
Someday you'll grow and chase the sky.